Up first this evening, the latest on the controversy surrounding the alleged abuse of a 7-year-old boy in Clarkstown, Trelawney, and the detention of his mother when she went to report the crime.
Now, there have been conflicting reports about why the mother was detained. Cops said she was behaving poorly and cursing, so they arrested her for disorderly conduct. The woman says that's not true. This evening, a pastor who went to bail the woman explains what he saw when he went to try to get station bail for her.
TVJ's Franklin has been following the story and has the latest.
Senior pastor of the Faith Family Worship Center in Clarkstown, Trelawney, Mark Rowe, said last Friday he was on his way to Falmouth when he saw the grandmother at the gate of the Clarkstown police station. Pastor Rowe said she indicated to him that her daughter was in custody and she wanted to bail her, but she did not have the value of the bail bond, which was $30,000 to do so. The pastor said he then proceeded inside the station where he saw the mother of the 7-year-old boy and 2 police officers.
When I got there, I saw her sitting on a chair and was handcuffed. And, so I knew that I maybe shouldn't have spoken to her first, so I tried to find out which officer was in charge. There was a female and a male. The female is the person that I spoke to, and I asked her, I told her that I wanted to know what was the situation, and she said she is being arrested for disorderly conduct.
The issue has been at the center of controversy because the mother accused the police of telling the pastor not to bail her, while the police said the pastor refused to bail the woman because of her behavior. The woman reportedly visited the Clarkstown police station to report her child being abused after 4 boys at the Clarkstown primary school allegedly held down her son and inserted a piece of stick in his rectum. It's understood that the mother might have made at least 3 attempts to report the matter to the police, and on her second visit to the station was arrested and charged for disorderly conduct. The pastor, who said he wanted to bail her, then asked the officers what were the relevant documents needed to do so. He said he was given a bail bond form and said he needed some form of identification and a receipt amounting to the $30,000.
Went back to my vehicle to find the receipt, if there was a receipt there. When I got there, I found one, which was an invoice, really. And I took it back to her, and she looked at it and told me that that was not able to do it. I was not able to bail her with that. So at the time, I had nothing that I was able to use to bail her. So I just said to them while I was leaving, I said, the documents that I have cannot do, so I'm not able to bail you.
Pastor Rose says the woman is a member of his church, although of recent times her visits may not have been on a regular basis. He says the charge of disorderly conduct against her came as a surprise to him.
When I was at the station, I had said to the police that I didn't expect that from her. You know, the kind of accusation about her being arrested for disorderly conduct. And they would have, seemingly that I don't know who I'm talking about, because she constantly would do something like this. Of course, everybody in frustration sometimes, will do and get off the edge. Even me, sometimes I don't know what I wouldn't do, I wouldn't say in the heat of the moment.
Franklin, TVJ News.